On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, it is about operators in Python. You can learn about arithmetic operators, comparison operators, and logical operators by actually running code. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Python has various operators, which can be broadly categorized as follows. We will explain representative operators for each category. Arithmetic operators are operators used to perform calculations on numbers. In addition to the four basic arithmetic operations, Python provides operators for division, integer division, modulus, percent, and exponentiation. Division returns a floating point number even when dividing integers. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. Assignment operators allow combining standard assignment with various operators to assign the result. The walrus operator, == is an assignment expression available in Python 3.8 and later. While standard assignment can only be used as a statement, the walrus operator allows assignment within an expression. Comparison operators compare values and return true or false. Comparison operators compare two values for order or equality and return true or false as a result. In Python, you should be careful when comparing different data types. Some types can be compared with each other, but the results may not be intuitive. Logical operators are used to combine logical expressions. And is a logical operator that returns true only if both conditions on the left and right are true. Or is a logical operator that returns true if either the left or right condition is true. Not is a logical operator that inverts the truth value of a condition. If it is true, it becomes false, and if it is false, it becomes true. Operators have precedence. This is the rule that determines which operator is evaluated first in an expression. Logical operators are evaluated in the order not, and, then, or. In the first example, and is evaluated first, so false and false becomes false, and as a result, true or false becomes true. You can also change the order of evaluation by using parentheses, as shown in the second example. You can perform bitwise and OR, XOR, NOT operations, as well as bit shift operations. You can also combine them with assignment operators like and equals. Membership operators are used with collections such as lists and dictionaries. The in operator is used to determine whether a specified value is contained in a sequence such as a list or string, or a collection such as a dictionary. The not in operator is used to determine whether a specified value is not contained in a sequence or collection. Identity operators check the identity of objects. The is operator checks whether two objects are the same object, i.e., refer to the same memory location. The is not operator checks whether two objects are different objects. For example, x is y differs from x equals y in that it checks object identity, not value equality. In Python, you use the is instance function to check if a value is of a specific type. You can also use the type function to check the exact type of a variable. Although these are not operators, they are basic mechanisms for type checking. IsInstance is a function that checks whether an object is an instance of a specified class or its subclass. Type is a function that returns the exact type, class, of an object. It is usually used when you want to perform strict type comparison. IsInstance considers inheritance relationships, while type checks for exact matches. When using each operator, you need to choose appropriately based on its purpose and type. Since Python is a dynamically typed language, the result of an operation may vary depending on the type of values being calculated. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to enjoy more content, please subscribe to the channel.